Where does mastery begin? With the skills that power tomorrow. Step inside. A world where every detail of your craft comes alive. The future of skill training. Solace by Skillveri. Structured lessons. From preparation to installation. From first setup to mastery. Every critical action, safety, surveying, assembly, wiring, experienced as one continuous guided workflow. Light intensity check, indoor site survey, warranty information check, solar panel assembly, battery wiring, guided by precision. Corrective cues, refine alignment, sequence, and safety, so every decision builds confidence. Progress made visible. Training that's measurable, repeatable, reliable. Scale learning without losing control. Monitor, guide, and support across learners. Mastery doesn't stay in one place. It travels with you. From one space to another. From system to system. Always within reach. Always evolving. Skillveri.